The LONTEK 3-in-1 treadmill is currently priced at $199.99, marked down from its list price of $249.99, and has earned a solid 4.5-star average rating from 194 customer reviews, over 900 units purchased in the past month alone. Designed for home fitness enthusiasts seeking versatility and convenience, this foldable treadmill features a 14% manual incline that simulates uphill running to boost calorie burn and add variety to every workout session. Its 3.0 HP brushless motor delivers a smooth speed range from 0.6 to 7.0 miles per hour while remaining whisper quiet at under 45 decibels, supporting users up to 300 pounds without undue noise or vibration. The 38.2 x 15.2 spacious running belt is constructed with 6 layers of non-slip surface, cushioned rubber pads, and silicone shock absorbers to reduce joint impact and provide a comfortable stride. A sleek triple touchscreen display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories in real time, while intuitive touch buttons let you adjust settings on the fly. Built-in accessories including a water cup holder and tablet stand keep your essentials within reach, and the foldable design coupled with transport wheels makes storage and portability a breeze. Pros of the LONTEK treadmill include its robust incline option, powerful yet quiet motor, ample running surface, and user-friendly digital interface. On the downside, the manual incline requires bending down to adjust, and those desiring higher maximum speeds above 7.0 miles per hour may find the range limiting for advanced training. Overall, this LONTEK treadmill offers exceptional value and functionality for home workouts, whether you are walking, jogging, or tackling hill simulations. And remember, we share by links in the description box.